Love the soft, comforting scent of Luna by Scentsy? We've created a natural DIY version that captures the same cozy vibe without any artificial fragrances. Introducing the Silent Night Candle. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Let's drift into calm with Silent Night, a natural candle inspired by the soft, cozy scent of Luna by Scentsy. This hand-poured blend features Palo Santo, which adds a warm, grounding aroma, Cedarwood Atlas, this brings a rich, woodsy depth to the scent profile, and Frankincense, which offers a classic, resinous note that enriches the blend. Crafted with a safer fragrance oil, Silent Night is a clean, burning candle designed to create a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for quiet evenings and slow moments. First, you're gonna slide the wooden wick into the metal wick clip, peel the backing off the wick sticker, and press it onto the bottom of the clip. Stick the wick in the center of your candle vessel and press down firmly. Next, we're going to melt the 8 ounces of clean Burn Soy Wax. You can do this 2 ways. Double boiler method, melt the wax slowly in a large double boiler, stirring occasionally. Or the microwave method, place wax in a microwave safe pitcher, heat for 2 minutes, stir, then continue heating in 30-second intervals, stirring between each interval until fully melted. Today we'll be using a hot plate so I can do it on screen for you. Carefully remove the wax from the heat. Add 150 drops of Palo Santo Safer Fragrance Oil, 100 drops of Cedarwood Atlas, and 75 drops of Frankincense Essential Oil directly to the melted wax. Stir slowly and thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes to fully combine. Pro tip: for the best scent throw and wax performance, add the oils when the wax is around 185 degrees. Stir well, then pour between 160 and 180 degrees. Slowly pour the scented wax into your prepared vessel. Let the candle cool on a flat, undisturbed surface for at least 24 hours. Trim the wick to 1/8 of an inch before lighting and enjoy its cozy aroma. Now it's your turn. Make your own Silent Night candle and fill your space with calm this winter. Share your creations with us using #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to get featured and win a $100 gift card. Get your supplies at simplyearth.com. Thanks for making with me. See you in the next video.